Hi guys, it's Catherine, and as you can see, I am still working on my massive organizational project, and I know it probably looks like I'm going backwards over there. I actually just took everything that was in the last 3 drawers and kind of tossed it in the corner so that I could line the drawers. And I decided to just go for it after I did this. I don't know what it was in my brain today that I was like, I just need to do something with this. I had bought spray paint, and that was like a year and a half ago, to paint it a different color, but then didn't do it because I actually like this color. And I don't know, I just kind of felt like I wanted to make mine different, unique, that sort of thing. So yeah, I bought the spray paint, and then it's been sitting, which is again really embarrassing. All of the stuff that's going on in my craft room is really embarrassing, but I'm sure some of you can sympathize. So I was just like, you know what, wait, I wonder if contact paper would work, because I have a ton of it. Seriously, I have more over here. There's like that hot pink roll over there, and then if you can see in my closet, there is even more. So I decided to just see how it would look. So I cut a piece, stuck it on there, loved it. Now, initially I only did one side because this particular cart lends itself well to, you only really need to do one side, or you could do both sides differently. Now, the way I generally store my cart, it could be so that like I could have 2 completely different sides and you'd never know. And I had thought about leaving it like that, but then I was like, you know what? No. Let's get all of it up on there, because the more of my supplies I use, the less of them I have sitting around my craft room. I have all these rolls of contact paper because I bought them to line my drawers and do things with them. So yeah, why not actually use them? And I love this. I love, love, love this, because you know what? I have never seen anybody else do this. I think it looks pretty good. And if I change my mind about it, it is 100% removable. It won't hurt the paint. It'll come off, no sticky residue. I've used contact paper on things for years. My aunt likes to make fun of me and call me an old lady. I don't care because I love this stuff. And yeah, now I don't have to worry about like the paint getting scratched or scuffed up. And if I decide that I'm sick of looking at it, I can just peel it off and start again. And there's no reason that you can't do like the inside part there. I wouldn't fuss with doing like the bottom there. I mean, I guess in theory you could cut a piece, line the bottom, and then just to avoid like dust sticking to the underside, cut another piece and, put it there, or do tape or something. And they do sell like clear, and they sell white. So if you wanted to just put down like a layer of clear or something, you could do that. Just to, like, if you actually liked it, you could put down a layer of clear to protect it. Or if you spray painted it, and I know some people have spray painted them, and then like the paint comes off, you could put like a layer of just the clear contact paper over it to protect the spray paint. So that's an option. But yeah, I love it. I have a cart now that nobody else has, unless one of you guys copy me, but that's totally fine. Feel free. And yeah, I really like it, and I wanted to share. And then I did have the hot pink in these drawers, but I ripped it out because I never did like it. I did a poor job. And then I took what was left. Oh, well, I guess you can't see it in there, and I lined these drawers. Now, I only made it to the last of the like short drawers. And then I ran out, so I'm like, you know what? I don't care. I'm just going to be using all of my supplies. Oh, I didn't do a good job with that one. I got to get my card and flatten that out. Oh, if you get bubbles, like in the middle that just won't go away, you can take a pin, poke a hole, and then take your like whatever you're using is like a squeegee, and kind of go at it from all sides so that it comes up through that hole, and you'll never see that hole. So yes, I want to use this one that I bought ages ago in the Target dollar spot. They will periodically have them. It's usually like once or twice a year, and they look like the gift wrap, and I was so bummed because if you see in there, there's a beautiful pastel chevron. I thought that was contact paper, and then that turned out to be stupid wrapping paper. I'm like, oh man. So I'm gonna take that one, and I am gonna line these drawers, and I'm hoping that I'll have enough to do these two shelves as well. Just because I really like that one, and I want that consistency. And then I actually bought like a specialty paper. It is a contact paper type thing, and one roll should be more than sufficient, and I should have some left over. I want to do the top of my desk. Like, I'm not gonna try to do like this part. I want it to be just the top. It's like a wood finish, and a lot of people gave it really good ratings. They said it even had like a wood finish type texture. And I like that because I feel like I have to be so careful with this desk. Now, this is Ikea furniture, and it wears like Ikea furniture. If you see over here, I have no idea where that came from, when it showed up, what did it. I have tried scrubbing this. Even the magic eraser won't take it off. Like, I don't, and it's ugly. So I want to, if I have enough left over, I'm gonna take a piece and cover this. Like, I don't want to have to worry when I'm using my desk. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. So yeah, I could get like, you can get pieces of vinyl that will go over it. There are ones that they make for desks, and you can get them in all different sizes. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the contact paper, and I think it'll look really good for filming as well. And then if I like it, I might do the exact same thing for my sewing table. And I have seen people use this particular one. They wrap the edges of the table. I don't know how much I love that, but we'll see. And I don't know if I'll do the drawer faces or anything like that. Again, I'm gonna kind of just wait and see how it looks. And then if I have scrap pieces, I will definitely go ahead and put them on there just to kind of get a feel for whether or not it would look good or if it's going to be ugly as sin. And then also, I just want to let you know, I have these, and I have seen other people use them and they look good. I bought these at Staples. These are the large ones, and then they have another one that's smaller, and those come in like a 6-pack. And so yes, I want on each drawer. A million years ago, I did like strips of washi, and it was cute, but yeah, I don't like it. And right now, I just have sticky notes as kind of like a loose system of what's in where, because I do still have these things kind of just thrown in there. But once I go through and like organize it and make it look nice, I will put the book plate on there and label it properly. I'll, you know, do it on the I'll do it on the computer because my handwriting is chicken scratch, as you can see. And I also want to wait until I've decided if I'm going to cover the faces of these, because I mean, I could do it with contact paper. I could leave them plain, or I could do some sort of like a wood finish, something like that. Yeah, or something completely different. Yeah, all right. So if you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I will be posting more videos, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys!